How to connect your page to your Instagram app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to connect your page on Facebook to your Instagram account easy and quick. So first then go to your Facebook app, click on it, and now go to your page, and here click on the setting icon beside the search icon, and now click on Instagram, and you're gonna find connect to Instagram to get more features. All you need to do is click on connect account, and now you can turn on allow access to Instagram message in inbox, or just click cancel or confirm and follow those steps to connect your Instagram with your page. Easy and quick. Don't forget to subscribe and like.